morning we're heading off to Warner Brothers Studio, the Harry Potter experience. So another little day trip, and we're on the bus right now, so off we go. Alright, so we're at the tour.
There's so many people here.
It's so busy. We are lurking around the entrance rooms. The sets are just absolutely incredible. What you doing, Georgie?
Washing the pen.
Hi. Oh, you're
I'm a
arty.
wizard.
You're a what?
In a minute, it's about to chop it.
No, knitting.
Very good, Georgie. You can cook and you can knit and clean.
I know it's amazing. And there's a giant spider. Why did it have to be follow the spiders?
Why couldn't it be follow the butterflies?
Swish and flick.
We're just trying to find our seats on the Hogwarts Express. Choo choo! Choo choo!
Yeah, I've got it. Should be a sign.
Why is there cream on top? I don't understand. It ruins it. Interesting.
So as you can see, we're back from the Universal Studios, and we've got our little goodies, little chocolate frog. So Georgie's going to unveil a chocolate frog now. Because as we know...
It's a freaking massive frog!
I told you.
Oh my god! It's like the size of my hand!
Ooh.
How am I gonna eat that? Who did I get?
We know it's all about the card.
Oh man, I got Salazar Slytherin.
Very good.
Oh, he's not moving.
Disappointing.
It's not real, he's not moving.
Did you think of Harry Potter today, George?
That's pretty good. Yeah.
You're terrible at describing things.
That was good. And now for the moment of the truth.
Okay, so I've been ordered to open my frog too. And we're twinning because I also got Salazar Slytherin. You realise just how much effort goes into everything in the movie production. And I liked the little like things like, you know, there was like thousands of portraits painted for this film, and I like how they used, you know, crew members' faces and names throughout them. Like just those little things were really cute.
The more comfortable you are in it. So find a beam smooth and toss to curves.
I can't do it.